Hey everyone, today we're diving into something truly exhilarating. SpaceX, the trailblazer of private space travel, has just taken a significant step forward with their Starship rocket. Let's unravel what's happening. Starship, the name that rings with ambition and the promise of new space frontiers. This isn't just any rocket, it's the cornerstone of SpaceX's plans to make space travel more accessible and eventually, to colonize Mars. And guess what? They've just completed a critical fuel-up operation setting the stage for its next major launch. Why is this important, you ask? Well, each test and each launch brings us closer to turning what once was science fiction into our reality. Imagine, a future where Mars travel is as common as hopping on a plane to another continent. Now, during this latest operation, the focus was on loading the rocket with over 10 million pounds of fuel. That's a lot. This isn't just regular fuel, we're talking about super-chilled liquid methane and oxygen. This combo is what might power our future trips not just to orbit, but to other planets. The stakes are high with every test. Each one needs to prove that the Starship can handle the extreme conditions of space travel. Speeds, temperatures, and pressures unlike anything we experience here on Earth. And with this successful fuel-up, SpaceX is inching closer to their next big leap, a test flight that aims to reach orbit. Now, this isn't just a technical achievement, it's a beacon of inspiration. It shows us what humanity can achieve with vision and persistence. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just someone who appreciates groundbreaking technology, this development has something for everyone. As we look forward to this launch, let's not just think about the rocket or the technology, but the dream it carries. A dream of a multiplanetary life for future generations. So stay tuned because the future, our future, in space, is just about to get more exciting. Thanks for joining me today. If you're fascinated by how technology is expanding our horizons, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep looking up. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's just the beginning.